shocked and I am surprised, but I am happy also that Health Minister Sri Vishwajeet Rane spoke purely North Kannada, Kannada. So we are very much happy, and he's keen learning Kannada also, because in Goa many Kannada people are there, and maybe his voters are there, and he has spoken very clear, crystal clear Kannada yesterday in Karnataka.
सर बहुत बार ऐसा होता है दैट पीपल आर ट्राइंग टू क्रॉस चेक कि कन्नड़ा प्योर था, कोई मिस्टेक था. एज अ कन्नड़ स्पीकिंग पर्सन और दैट यू नो कन्नड़ सो वेल, कोई मिस्टेक्स था वो स्पीच
No,
में?
no, no. He has spoken very clear Kannada, and maybe he is having a rooted Kannada family also. I don't know. But he has spoken very nice Kannada,
So
which I am also happy to hear. I have seen 10 times this video again and again.
So as a Kannadiga, what do you want to say on this occasion?
I am very happy that he is learning, or he has learned Kannada, and even 1 month back the Chief Minister also spoke some of the Kannada words, and he is also trying to learn Kannada. I feel happy that all ministers should learn, or all MLAs who are there, they should learn Kannada. Speaking language doesn't divide. It is we are all Indian, and language should be made like speaking Kannada. I am speaking Konkani here does not mean I am from here and there. Or we are Indian, and it is a talent how you speak and how you learn all the languages. It should be in all ministers should always have languages spoken in all the languages.